Today we're making soft, fluffy, golden Easter bread, just like Grandma used to make. Let's begin. In a large bowl, add 100 milliliters of warm milk and 100 milliliters of warm water. Then add 1 tablespoon of dry yeast and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix well and let it sit for about 10 minutes to activate. Once the yeast is nice and foamy, add 1 egg and 1 egg white. We'll save the yolk for brushing later. Pour in 50 milliliters of oil, then add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. This helps keep the bread extra soft. Now gradually add about 700 grams of flour, mixed with half a teaspoon of baking powder. Knead until you get a soft, slightly sticky dough. Cover the dough with a cloth and let it rise for about an hour, until it doubles in size. After rising, shape your bread how you like into a braid, roll, or round. In this video, I split the dough into 2 parts. I used the larger portion, a bit more than half, and rolled it out into a rectangle. Brushed it with oil, then rolled it up like a log. I cut it lengthwise in half and braided the 2 pieces together. Simple and beautiful. This smaller piece of dough I'll use later for extra decoration. Place the shaped dough on a baking tray. Brush the top with the egg yolk you saved earlier for that perfect golden shine. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 35 minutes. Look at that, soft, warm, and golden. Perfect for your Easter table, or any holiday, or simply when you want to make something special at home. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves homemade bread. Happy Easter from Jima's Kitchen!